Hello foodies, welcome back to Sarala's Cooking. Today, we're diving into some delicious and nutritious high-protein snacks that'll keep you satisfied and support your weight loss journey. Whether you're a vegetarian or just looking to add more plant-based protein to your diet, these snacks are winners. Let's get started. Our first superstar snack is Greek yogurt bowls. Greek yogurt is strained, which means it's packed with protein. Plus, it's lower in lactose, making it easier on your tummy. Customize your bowl with fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, and some crunchy granola. Second items in the list is chickpeas. They are protein powerhouses. Roast them with olive oil, paprika, and a pinch of salt. They turn into crispy, savory bites that are perfect for snacking. Say goodbye to potato chips. Our third vegetarian snack item is hummus. It is not only creamy and delicious, but also rich in protein. Pair it with carrot sticks, cucumber slices, or bell pepper strips. It's a satisfying combo that'll keep you full. The fourth item on the list is trail mix. It is a classic on-the-go snack. Combine nuts, like almonds and walnuts, seeds, pumpkin seeds are great, and dried fruit, raisins or apricots. It's crunchy, sweet, and protein-packed. Watch the portion size though. The fifth item is chia seeds. They are tiny but mighty. Mix them with almond milk, a touch of vanilla, and a hint of maple syrup. Let it sit overnight, and voila! Creamy chia seed pudding loaded with protein. The sixth vegetarian snack is edamame. They are vibrant green soybeans, are fantastic. Steam them, sprinkle with sea salt, and enjoy. They're fun to pop out of the pods and provide plant-based protein. These are my go-to snack on the go. The last item on the list is nut spread. You can use almond butter or peanut butter on apple slices. It's a sweet savory combo that satisfies your taste buds and keeps you fueled. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Remember, these high-protein snacks aren't just tasty, they're also great for your health. So next time you're feeling snacky, reach for one of these options. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.